Hello everyone, today we are traveling from Melbourne to Kuala Lumpur. So we are now finally seated in our seat in Malaysian Airlines. So come along for our adventure. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We just arrived in Kuala Lumpur and tonight it's our first night in Traders Hotel. So we are just waiting for our lift and we're going to go to a room, so let's check it out. We just checked in at the Traders Hotel and this is our first night. So I'd like to show you a room in Traders Hotel which has 2 single beds. Okay, so let me start on this end. We only just arrived here, so we're going to check out this facility of this Traders Hotel. There is a safe deposit box. Wow, enough storage here. So just over there is a nice bench to put our luggage or any other things that you can use it for. Long table for your computer, or basically a workbench with a chair and that nice television set. So we have booked 2 single beds today for me and Summer. So as you can see, it's very nice, very clean, very spacious for 1 single bed. Okay, so this is the cupboard where the coffee and teas and cups are located, and the mini fridge here. So we have 2 nice wardrobe here, 2 slippers, ironing board, a laundry basket with Traders Hotel writing on it. This is the bathroom. Wow, it's quite impressive and very spacious. I love the neutral tiles here, and we have spacious bath. I'm going to be using that one of these days. We are here for 4 nights. Hello, wow, this is really impressive. Wow, with the Traders body lotion, hand wash, the usual nice amenities that you can get in a beautiful hotel like this. Very spacious. So here at Traders Hotel there are also additional wall and desk charging points that includes universal power sockets, ideal for laptops and other larger devices. This is actually one of my favorite parts of this hotel because I'm having trouble using my universal charger. So this is really great for easy usage. I don't even have to ask them to charge any of my devices. So I don't think I've really seen this feature in other hotels. So this is a great bonus, and they have given us extra water for our stay here. So how fantastic is that? So thoughtful details at Traders Hotel. At the bedside table there is a USB-C and USB-A ports, universal power outlets, and wireless charging, easy for overnight use. So this is the best part of this room. Look at the views, the Petronas Towers of Malaysia right in front of us. So overall this room is very spacious, very comfortable, and just that views right behind me. This is really my favorite part of this room. Oh my god, it is such a great hotel. So if you are coming to Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, stay at the Traders Hotel and ask if you can have a room with that view. So Traders Hotel, thank you very much, and I really love your room. I love your hotel. The staff gave us a really nice, warm welcome. So great start for our first holiday in Kuala Lumpur by staying at the Traders Hotel.